Hey, you guys, how's it going out there? I am between the streets of Valley View on Bald Road, and this is the city of Cypress. And we're gonna perform this to first name narrative. That's Bald Road over here. That was Valley View. This is Bald Road. I'm just out at this place over here, which is car wash business, recently renewed. Right now it's called the H2GO car wash. Right there, you see guys, H2GO car wash. Apparently they save water. Let's see what they have to say about my filming. Let's see if H2GO car wash honor and respect our constitutional right to film in public, you guys, under the First Amendment. The First Amendment of our Constitution. Let's see. Let's see, you guys. This is the H2GO car wash right here. Let's walk a little bit that way. So you go like any other regular car wash place, right? Go through here, and you obviously you pay whatever kind of a car wash you need right here. So you go through that big old station. That's where your car is washed. Before you guys, before this place was packed of workers, guys, regular workers. I don't know if they were legal or illegal workers, but a lot of them. And they were employed. So at one point, this place stopped. Like operations completely stopped. And they closed it, they put a fence, and all of a sudden they start construction and renewing everything. You guys. They fire all these workers, like, I don't know, minimum wage people. But at least they were working decently and making their money decently, without robbing anybody or without harming anybody. They just removed the excess of water from the cars, and that was their job. That was it. Anyway, even though they just renewed the place, still open, still in operation, but with a lot less people, guys. Less people, way too much less. Yeah. And the cars are coming out of the car wash machine. And then they go around, and there's a station to light up. you go around and dry it up yourself now. Since they fire all these people, since they fire them, so there's nobody but yourself to clean it. Uh-oh, that lady jaywalking to drop something. Oh, well, look at this, guys. That's it. And before, you used to leave your car and automatically the machine bring it in and wash it. Now you don't even have to get off the car. Before, they got your car, the workers, they got your car after washing it. They used to drive it around the lot and park it somewhere and start drying it up. See, now no more. Now you have to drive it and dry it up yourself. Drive it up yourself. No license plate in the front, guys. Look at this. Again, guys, this is the H2GO car wash. There's a few around, a few of them. So far, so good, guys. No interaction at all. Which is good. So they have camera right there so they can read your license plate, right? Let me see if I can focus it. Hold on, right there. See that? There's camera. So they can read your license plate, know who you are. I don't know if they can. There's another one on top. Another camera on top. So if they just like if they said anything to me, I'm gonna tell them. You can film the people, but I cannot tell them if someone. I'm not say anything. So let's see, guys. Walk around again. Across the street there's Starbucks, Stater Brothers, and Chase Bank over here. So yeah, guys, this is H2GO. I don't even know what the prices are here. I don't know. See, there's H2GO car wash. I don't know what the prices are because I never take my car to a car wash. I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself at my house. Right by my garage. Well, so far no interactions. No interactions, and which is cool. Apparently they recycle the water on this place, guys. Apparently, I don't know. I'm not totally sure. I don't know how these businesses work. I really don't. And that's why it's all green now. See, you notice the green colors, even the green arrows on on the ground. So they apparently they recycle the water. I don't know. They might have a big old machine that cleans the water and then recycle it again. I don't know, guys. You know how this process works? Let us know, guys. So here, all the people. There's not too many spots where you can park your car and clean the water. You know, see, arrows, green arrows. Apparently, they became green business. So this is yeah, they can have prices here. Oh yeah, there's some prices in there. It says go green $6, go silver $9, go blue $14. Honestly, I don't know what the difference might be, but cars coming to get the car wash. I mean, the only benefit is you save yourself some sweat. You know, you don't sweat yourself, especially when you have a big old car. You don't have to clean it. You don't have to do much. Just get the excess of water off and get the excess of water off and some dirt and save yourself some time. But I don't know if that's kind of cheap prices or is it a regular okay prices or it's too much. What do you think, guys? Well, I believe that I'm gonna wrap it up right here, you guys, and I'm out of here. I gotta do some errands. Gotta run some errands, and tonight I don't have to go to work. It's my night off. So you guys let me know, what do you think about this green car wash thing?